Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your repository contains the static site files and that you have a clean commit on the default branch. Once done, initialize Git locally if needed and push your branch to GitHub so the platform has the latest code. Make sure the branch name is the one you intend to publish. GitHub Pages uses main, GH Pages, or a docs folder depending on your choice. This sets the foundation so GitHub can serve a live link. Now go to your repository settings and find the Pages section. This is where you tell GitHub which branch and folder should be published. Select the branch you pushed earlier and choose the root or docs folder as the source. This determines which files become the site. Save the configuration and watch for the build status. GitHub will process your files and then display the live site URL. You can use that URL immediately once the build completes. Finally, open the live URL GitHub provided and verify your site loads correctly. If you don't see updates, clear the browser cache or use an incognito window. If the site fails to build or shows errors, inspect the page's build logs or actions to find the failing step, then fix missing index, HTML, bad paths, or CNAME issues. Once corrected, commit and push changes. GitHub will rebuild and refresh the live link.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.